In the cold, glacial waters of the North Pacific, a small but remarkably resilient fish begins an epic journey. This is the pink salmon, known for its silvery body and distinctive pink flesh. It undertakes one of the most incredible life cycles in nature, traveling hundreds of miles from freshwater streams to the open ocean and back again. But the story of the pink salmon goes far deeper than its annual migration. Its evolution is a powerful testament to adaptation, survival, and the intricate dance between rivers, oceans, and time itself. Join us as we explore the fascinating evolutionary tale of this incredible species. The story of the pink salmon begins millions of years ago, during the Miocene. This is when the ancestors of modern salmon first appeared in the chilly waters of the North Pacific. These early salmonids were small, agile fish, perfectly adapted to a life split between seasonal rivers and nutrient-rich oceans. Over time, the lineage that would become the pink salmon split from other Pacific salmon species, like the sockeye, coho, and chinook, carving out its own unique ecological niche. So, what makes this fish so special? One of the most defining features of the pink salmon is its remarkably short, 2-year life cycle, the fastest among all Pacific salmon. This evolutionary trait likely arose as a clever survival strategy. By maturing and reproducing quickly, pink salmon can take full advantage of abundant food resources in the ocean while minimizing their exposure to predators. This rapid turnover also allows their populations to rebound swiftly after environmental changes, which is a key factor in their long-term survival. Adaptation to diverse environments has played a crucial role in shaping the species. Pink salmon inhabit a vast range of rivers along the coasts of Alaska, Canada, Russia, and Japan. Through evolution, they've developed the incredible ability to navigate complex freshwater systems. They leap over waterfalls, battle strong currents, and meticulously find suitable spawning grounds. Their bodies are streamlined for long-distance swimming, with strong, forked tails that propel them powerfully through both freshwater and saltwater. Coloration is another evolutionary hallmark of the pink salmon. As juveniles known as fry, they are a brilliant silver, providing excellent camouflage in the vast, open ocean. But when they return to freshwater to spawn, their bodies undergo a dramatic transformation. Males develop a prominent hump on their back and a striking pink or reddish hue, while females adopt a softer, more subtle rose tone. These incredible changes are driven by hormones and serve critical functions. The male's hump and color attract mates and signal his reproductive readiness, ensuring the strongest genes are passed on. Migration is arguably the most remarkable aspect of the pink salmon's evolution, reflecting an intricate balance between genetics, memory, and environmental cues. These salmon are born in freshwater streams, but spend the majority of their lives growing and feeding in the ocean. After 1 or 2 years at sea, they begin their arduous journey home, returning to the very same streams where they hatched. This is an extraordinary feat of navigation, guided by a combination of the Earth's magnetic field, an incredibly sensitive sense of smell that detects the unique chemical signature of their home stream, and an innate awareness of their environment. This homing behavior evolved over countless generations, ensuring that pink salmon could always find optimal spawning grounds and maintain stable, healthy populations. Reproduction is another arena where evolution has perfectly sculpted the pink salmon's strategy for success. Females lay thousands of eggs in carefully constructed gravel nests called redds. They use their tails to dig these nests, ensuring the eggs are protected and well. Meanwhile, males compete fiercely for the opportunity to fertilize them. This high number of eggs ensures that even though many eggs and juveniles won't survive the harsh realities of nature, enough will reach maturity to sustain the population. A fascinating aspect of their life cycle is the synchronized spawning that occurs every 2 years, creating distinct, odd-year, and even-year populations. This separation reduces competition for resources between generations and increases overall genetic diversity, a huge evolutionary advantage that enhances their ability to survive in fluctuating environments. Of course, life is not without its dangers, and predation has profoundly influenced the species' evolution. In both their freshwater and ocean habitats, pink salmon face constant threats from birds like eagles and larger fish such as trout and char, and marine mammals like seals and Natural selection has therefore favored traits that enhance their survival. These include fast swimming speeds to escape predators, schooling behavior in juveniles, which confuses attackers, and the precise timing of their migration to avoid periods of peak predator abundance. Every part of their behavior is a calculated move in the game of survival. In more recent times, human interaction has become a new and powerful chapter in the evolutionary story of the pink salmon. Commercial fisheries have harvested these fish for centuries, making them a vital economic resource. In response, conservation programs carefully monitor river ecosystems to maintain sustainable populations for the future. Interestingly, hatchery programs, designed to boost salmon numbers, have inadvertently influenced the species by raising fish in artificial environments. These programs can sometimes select for traits like faster growth rates or different spawning times, which might differ from their wild counterparts. Despite all these challenges, both natural and man-made, pink salmon remain a remarkably resilient species. Their broad geographic distribution across the North Pacific, their rapid life cycle, and their incredible adaptive behaviors have allowed them to thrive in some of the planet's harshest northern environments. They are not just a vital food source for humans. They are a cornerstone of North Pacific ecosystems. They provide essential nutrients for forests when their bodies decompose, and they support a vast web of life, including bears, eagles, and countless other marine species. The evolution of the pink salmon is a profound story of adaptation, resilience, and perfect synchronization with the natural world. Every single aspect of their biology, from their streamlined body shape and changing coloration to their reproductive strategy and incredible migration, tells a story written over millions of years by the powerful hand of natural selection. Their life cycle is a vital link, connecting rivers to oceans, freshwater to saltwater, predator to prey, and ultimately, nature to humanity. So, the next time you see a video of a pink salmon leaping up a river waterfall, or watch them spawning in a tranquil gravel bed, remember that you are witnessing millions of years of evolution in motion. It is a living, breathing testament to life's incredible ability to adapt, survive, and thrive against all odds, generation after generation. The pink salmon reminds us that even the smallest fish can carry the grandest of stories, one of perseverance, beauty, and the intricate awe-inspiring artistry of Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the world of the pink salmon. If you found this story as fascinating as we do, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you not miss our next exploration into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.